Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an inequality and we're going to solve for x in this inequality. So they've said to us solve for x in x squared minus 2x minus 8. Now, because we've got a square, we need to proceed very carefully here. The first thing I want you to realize is they've given us this parabola. Okay, this x squared minus 2x minus 8 is a parabola. So if I draw a random Cartesian plane, I know that the shape of this parabola is going to be positive because I've got a positive at the front. It's going to be a smiley face. So I'm not sure where it's going to lie with respect to the y-axis, but that's not really important for now. I do know though it's going to look something like that. Okay, so our job is to find where this parabola sits below the x-axis, because it's saying to us that the y is larger. Okay, so it's saying to us that the y is less than 0, because remember this is a placeholder for the y, so that means this needs to sit below the x-axis. Right, so now we need to find these points over here, these critical values. Those critical values are essentially the x-intercept, and the way we do that is by factorizing. So let's factorize x squared minus 2x minus 8. So we're going to open up our two brackets, and we know that's less than 0. And because we've got a negative 8 there, we're going to have a positive and a negative, and we know we're going to have an x in the front of each bracket, mostly because there isn't a coefficient there. And then we need to find two numbers that multiply to 8 and subtract to 2, and that's automatically 4. The bigger number goes to that sign, which is minus, so the 4 goes there and the 2 goes there. So therefore, our critical values are 2 and 4. Right, so we can write that in here. Our critical values therefore would be minus 2 on this side, and it would be positive 4 on this side. What's important here to realize is they've asked us for where it's smaller than 0, which means it's below the x-axis, and that's going to be this area over there. So I'm going to change my pen color just so you can see it. This part is less than 0, and then this part is greater than 0. Okay, so that's very important because it's based on this y-axis. So y-axis is 0 there, it's positive over there, and it's negative over there. So they've specifically asked us for where it is below 0. And it is below 0 over here. And they've specifically asked us for less than 0 and not less than or equal to 0. So therefore, our answer is going to be minus 2 is smaller than x, which is smaller than 4, which indicates that x lies between these two values. Okay, another way we could represent this is, so we could say, or x is an element, open a round bracket because that's non-inclusive, minus 2 to 4 round bracket, which means non-inclusive. And those are the two options you can give for a really good, well-deserved 3 marks. Well done. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.